Hi,
Cruising
baby.
along at Canton Drain, drinking a Bud Lime. Ain't catching no fish.
I caught one.
Well, you caught one, but I ain't catching any fish.
It was a little one, though.
Maybe I'll get lucky before I leave.
Yeah, you will, baby.
At least it's calm out right now.
Yeah, it was windy earlier.
Survey the area.
Bye.
Yeah.